We strive to provide our customers with the best service possible, so when we get a 5-star review and they say things like this, well, we have to show it to the world. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. So thank you for stopping by. Contact us today and check out what we have to offer.